Midnight Network, a blockchain built for rational privacy, where confidentiality is programmable and verification is universal. Midnight is a proof-of-stake blockchain. Anyone can help secure the network by delegating stake to validators, earning rewards while keeping the system open and permissionless. A native bridge to Cardano lets assets and information flow between the two chains, making Midnight Cardano's first true partner chain, independent but deeply connected. Two types of transactions move across the network. Public transactions work like any traditional blockchain: open, transparent, easy to audit. Shielded transactions use zero-knowledge proofs to keep sensitive details private. Both are validated by the same set of validators, so privacy and security stay in balance. Privacy on Midnight isn't a single feature. It's layered. Only essential data touches the chain. Sensitive information stays local, under your control. And forward secrecy ensures that even if encryption keys are compromised in the future, your past transactions remain private, protected by design, not by promise. You decide what to share, with whom, and when. Selective disclosure puts users in complete control of their data. And for regulated industries, Midnight offers optional compliance tools, letting you meet reporting obligations without exposing private information to anyone else. Frameworks like GDPR, CCPA, and HIPAA demand strict control over personal data, when it's shared, with whom, and why. Midnight makes that achievable. Teams can prove they're sharing only what's necessary and demonstrate compliance without ever exposing the underlying information. Controlled disclosure, provable by design. Most public chains expose everything: balances, actions, metadata, all on a shared ledger. Private chains improve confidentiality, but often sacrifice decentralization to get there. Midnight does both. By combining public and private state in a single network, it gives developers programmable confidentiality without sacrificing the open, decentralized properties that make blockchains worth using in the first place. Traditional zero-knowledge development is hard. It demands deep expertise in circuit design and cryptographic proof systems. Midnight's compact language changes that. Write code that looks and feels like TypeScript, and the compiler produces the circuits and proofs for you. Privacy that any developer can build with. Private computation still has to be trustworthy. On Midnight, sensitive work happens locally on your device. Only a zero-knowledge proof is submitted to the network. Validators confirm the computation was done correctly without ever seeing the data behind it. Privacy you control. Trust that anyone can check. So where does this matter? 4 areas where Midnight is already changing what's possible. For AI and analytics, applications can process encrypted inputs locally, generate proofs of correctness, and share verified outputs. Teams can demonstrate fairness, compliance, or model behavior without revealing the underlying datasets. In healthcare, providers can exchange patient info through policy-based access rules. Smart contracts decide who sees what. ZK proofs confirm eligibility, participation, or compliance. Sensitive records stay off-chain, but the proofs that matter remain verifiable on it. In governance, voters can prove eligibility, that they participated, that they're a member, without revealing their identity or voting history. The final tally is publicly verifiable. The individual actions behind it stay private. In finance, smart contracts can enforce KYC, transaction limits, and sanctions screening, using zero-knowledge proofs to confirm the rules are met. The contract sees compliance. The user keeps their balances, counterparties, and history confidential. Privacy doesn't have to mean opacity. Decentralization doesn't have to mean exposure. Midnight brings them together: programmable, verifiable, and yours to control.